Radial gradient genuinely radiates real color outward from a center point. Conic gradient genuinely sweeps color around an actual circle. In this video you'll build both. Radial gradient genuinely radiates color outward from the real center, unlike linear gradient's actual straight line direction. At top left genuinely moves the real gradient's actual center point away from the default middle. Conic gradient genuinely sweeps colors around a real circle like a clock, useful for actual pie chart style effects. Radial gradient genuinely radiates color outward from a center point. The center position genuinely can be moved with at position. Conic gradient genuinely sweeps color around a circle, clock-like. Build a real radial gradient centered at the top right corner. Ready to layer real multiple backgrounds on one element?